I'm starving. Let's see, what do we got? Ooh, granola, perfect. Stuck. Okay, let's make some more granola. Here's what you'll need. 215 grams rolled oats, 35 grams of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of salt, 60 grams of pecans and 60 grams of almonds. You can use other nuts too if you want. Give it a toss. Then 75 grams of maple syrup, 84 grams of melted butter. Then just mix that up so everything is nice and coated. Once everything is completely mixed, we will spread this onto a parchment lined sheet tray, or I like to use a Silpat. You just want it to be in a nice even layer. It doesn't have to be too thin, but you want it to be even so it cooks evenly and doesn't get too dark on the outside while being raw on the inside. Then we're going into a 325-degree oven for between 20 and 30 minutes. We're going to take it out after 15 minutes and give it a gentle stir just to make sure everything is cooking nice and evenly. Now we'll go back into the oven until it's nice and golden on top. Mine took 28 minutes total and it was perfect. As soon as it comes out, while it's still really hot, we're going to add our golden raisins and another half a teaspoon of salt. Just press the raisins down into the granola a little bit, give it a little bit of a stir, not too much so you don't break up the nice big clusters of granola. Once it has cooled completely, go ahead and scrape it up and put it in a jar. And it's ready when you are. Eat it like this, just straight up. Put it on yogurt, ice cream, applesauce, whatever you want. Delicious. Look at those big, beautiful clusters. Now go cook something.